welcome to my YouTube channel PD Bros. So in this section we will be talking on the topic action of progesterone. So this action is based on the following structures. That in the first one it is the uterus. In uterus the action is based on in the myometrium. In myometrium it has an anti-estrogenic action, which I have given the action of estrogen in the previous video. You can watch that video and I will be giving that video's link in the description. And now for the action of progesterone. In myometrium it is got an anti-estrogenic action. It makes the myometrium less sensitive to oxytocin. Thus it prevents the expulsion of the implanted zygote. In endometrium it has a secretory change. And now for the cervix. In cervix the mucus becomes thick, cellular and tenacious. That's for the uterus part. Now for the vaginal part. And in vagina it goes the proliferation of the vaginal epithelium. That's the function in vagina. In fallopian it is necessary for the nutrition and protection of the fertilized ovum. And now in the breast. In breast it causes the growth of lobule and alveoli. And for the endocrine glands it has a negative feedback on alert secretion for the endocrine glands. And now for the electrolyte metabolism. So in this way, in the normal dose of progesterone level causes the excretion of sodium, whereas the high dose of the progesterone level causes the reabsorption of sodium and water. In thermogenic action, it causes an increase in the basal body temperature by 0.5 degrees Celsius. And this increase in temperature is maintained after the ovulation and maintained throughout the luteal phase. Metabolite of progesterone, that is the etocollanolone and pregnenolone, is the cause of thermogenic action, and it also got a respiratory action. That's all for the action of progesterone. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, dislike it. And subscribe my channel so that I will get motivated to create more videos for you. And click on the bell icon and click on the all so that you will get notification on my future videos. And share this video to your friends and comment this video so that I will improve my videos for you. Thank you, and we will meet soon.